This clock needs to be powered from the USB. So here it is, plugged into the USB, and here at the back there is USB socket. It is micro USB. There is also need for backup batteries. Two AAA batteries sit here in the compartment. The stand can be removed. It is quite tight fit, so you need to use quite a bit of force to get it out. 4 buttons here and 5 buttons, touch buttons here. LED display. To switch on the light, the white light, you just touch the button here, and then you can adjust the brightness in 25% steps. So that's 25%, that's 50%, 75%, and that's 100%. If you touch again here, then the colors, you can access the color lights. It's green, then it's red, then it's blue, and that's apparently pink. For me it's more purple. So that's the light. Touch again and the light goes off. To set the clock, we push this button here, and then it will enter into the clock time setting mode, and then 2 buttons in the middle will increase or decrease the hour. Push again on the set time, and then you can adjust minutes in exactly the same time. Push again and the clock is set. To switch the alarm on, you need to push this button here, and the alarm indicator, alarm on indicator little bell is displayed here. Now we can set the alarm when the alarm is on. Just a long push on the set button. Here it is, the time is, the hour is flashing, so you can adjust with up and down buttons the alarm time, hour, and once again short press on the set button. Then you can adjust minutes with up and down buttons. Then you can choose which alarm sound you want. There are 6 nature sounds. So if we go to the, let's go through all of them. So that's sound number 1. That's sound number 2. That's sound number 3. That's sound number 4. That's sound number 5. That's sound number 6. And if you enter, so push the set button, then you can adjust the volume between 0 and 15. So again, up and down on the volume. That's no sound, and then it gets louder as you go up to 15. And then push the set button and you're good to go. One more thing about setting the sound, alarm sound, is if we go again, if we go, 7 is FM radio. So if you go to the FM radio, you can only adjust the volume. It will play the last chosen FM station, radio station, the last one that was on. It is able to work without being plugged in, only from the batteries, but then display will be dimmed. so you won't see anything. It will only activate during alarm, and there will be no light feature. So for all features of this clock, it needs to be plugged in. For 24 hours, you can change this by here. That's 12-hour mode, that's 24-hour mode. In terms of the alarm, the light will start at 25%, half an hour before the alarm set, and the sound will start at the sort of like low volume 10 minutes before the alarm set, and then it will at the alarm time, at the time of the set alarm, there will be full brightness and full set volume of the sounds. So to switch on the radio, you need to push this button.
Household Support Fund in particular is
to
down to the local authorities.
change the
Local authorities will provide assistance, for example, for households
stations.
that have
You go
a child
up
on free school meals
or down,
and be able to provide.
and then it goes through the stations that were stored already. To adjust the volume, you need to long push on this button to go down and this to go up. So here we go. Here it will go down on volume, and it will go down on volume. Okay, so that is. And then if you want to program station, to long push on the radio button. And here it will scan the frequencies and store the strongest one in the 15 memories.
For a second.
It's worth to note that the last used station will be station used for radio, for the alarm clock, if we decide to go for the sound 7 on the alarm clock. This is the radio sound, and here it is. It went through all stations. And to switch off the radio, you push again on the radio button.
Jadi